Hey Beauty Junkies, it's Aaron here. I'm your new official Mecca Beauty Junkie. Today I've got a sneak peek into the January Beauty Loop Boxes for you all. Make sure to stick around if you want to have a nosy. Plus we're giving away a mystery box valued at over $1,000, so stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win it. It's a new year guys, and it's summer, so this month's box is all about how to get that fresh glowing skin with a pop of colour. Let's dive into level 1. So in level 1 you could be receiving some juicy skincare treats along with my personal favourites, the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks in either the shades Patina or Perla. So this formula is super opaque, super comfortable and lasts all day. I'm going to try my personal favourite, Perla, on for you guys. And now for level 2. You could be receiving either the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly or the Clinique 72-Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. The Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly is a super lightweight, gel-like consistency. It's got anti-pollution benefits in it also to really protect your skin. The Moisture Surge has a beautiful gel cream formula, locks hydration in for 72 hours, which is perfect for anyone with thirsty skin. Rolling on into level 3. In level 3, you'll be receiving some summer-ready skincare, as well as some NARS favourites. The larger-than-life eyeliner pencil in Via Veneto, or the NARS blush in Orgasm. It's the most perfect natural flush. So there we have it guys, a sneak peek into your January Beauty Loop Boxes. Head into store or shop online from January 23rd to pick them up. Now onto the super juicy mystery box prize, valued at over $1,000. All you guys have to do to be in the running to win this huge box is just subscribe to our channel and comment below your Instagram handle so that we can contact the lucky winner. Good luck guys!